This is an ancient burial site. I can't really see nothing because everything's covered in leaves. They like to bury their lemai trees. We're heading out now.
Hey, what's up? I'm just cutting coconut here. I'm your typical Inchi Chamorro hooker. You want some? I'm just standing around cutting coconuts. What you doing around my coconut grove?
I wanted to see the hot spot.
Like this.
Where
What you doing around my own latte site?
And here it is. Ancient Chamorro burial site. Bye-bye. Okay, later on. Hope you enjoyed it. Now time to go. Hey, what beach is this? What is the beach name? What's the beach name? Matidia.